Hey, it's Frank from 40 Honeybee, and I've been meaning to do this kind of rant slash plan video for what I'm planning to do for 2021. We're already pretty well into it. It is June the 5th, and I'm heading out to the bee yard to try and do a few things, although it's a really windy day. It's scorching hot too, but hopefully I can get some stuff done. But what I wanted to do in this video is just talk about what I want to do for this year, and maybe for the next couple of years of beekeeping. So I had up to 7 hives going at once. My entire bee yard was destroyed last year by a bear. I started up again in 2021. Had a kind of up and down year, as most all of us did. But I did overwinter 3 hives successfully. So this year the plan is that I want to keep making videos, and I want to keep keeping bees, expanding the yard up to about 6. I think 6 is my maximum number of hives that I can manage with the amount of time and resources that I can put into it. And that's sort of a little rant that I want to do about resources, because my prime resource is YouTube revenue. So if you like this video and subscribe, it helps out. I make some money off it, but YouTube has made it a lot harder to do that. So my videos used to do, average videos would do between 1,000 and 1,200 views before they would taper off. But now they've changed their logarithm, and now my videos only do 300 views tops, and then they taper off unless one of them hits gold or goes viral for some reason. So and YouTube is now taking tax, so it's taking 24% off the top of any payment they make. So again, don't want to get into that too much, but I just did want to describe that YouTube is making it harder to want to do videos. So I guess what I'm doing is spending a little less resources on the videos because I've got less money to do it. So anyway, that's one side of the rant that's over. But getting back to the bees, because I know that's what you're here for. What I want to do is I'd love to be able to overwinter these 6 hives. 6 hives eventually. There are only 3 of them now. But and then be able to give away bees to people. So that's my end goal for beekeeping. I want to be able to, if I can overwinter 5 or 6 hives and start off next year with 5 or 6 hives, then I don't need any more, and I don't want any more. So what I would do is just make nukes, make splits, and give away hives for people to beekeep, beginner beekeepers to get going. So if I could get that going, I know there's probably some regulations with agriculture around that, but I don't mind doing that. My hives are registered. Yeah, that would be a great way to give back to the YouTube community and give back to local beekeepers in my area, and keep the bees growing. So that's what I'm planning to do. It all depends on how many bees I can, get going over winter and get going successfully into next year. But yeah, if you do like this, and you can like this video and support, look at my video, support and subscribe, I do really appreciate it, and we'll see you in 2021. Thanks for joining me at 40 Honeybee.